This is why you need to master zoning laws before investing in land. Navigating zoning laws and regulations is essential for any land investment. They determine what you can and can't do with your property. So where do you start? First, research. Get to know the local zoning laws where your land is located. This will tell you what the land can legally be used for, whether it's residential, commercial, agricultural, or something else. Next, be aware of any restrictions. These can limit what you can build or how you can develop the land. And remember, you'll need the right permits for your plans. No permits, no project. Compliance is key. Make sure your plans align with all regulations. If you run into roadblocks, look into variances. These are exceptions to zoning laws that you can apply for. Stay updated on potential zoning changes. Laws can change and you don't want to be caught off guard. For complex issues, consulting with a lawyer is a smart move. Consider the community impact of your plans. How will your investment affect the neighborhood? Finally, be mindful of how zoning laws are enforced in your area. By thoroughly understanding these aspects, you'll ensure that your land investment aligns with legal requirements and community standards. Stay informed, seek advice when needed, and keep your investment on solid ground. Maximize your land's potential with the right zoning knowledge. That's it for now. Invest smart and happy land hunting.